Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. Here at my usual location, opposite the station, Plymouth, Michigan, Old Village. I don't know what's going on. We got a train coming on the Northbound Wye here. There's also a amber on the low signal for the Toledo Wye. So if we're gonna have two at once or what's going on here. Interesting. You stop down there at block east of Mill Street. You stop down there and there goes the gates up. So maybe he's not coming any further. He must be switching the yard, east yard. Huh. All right, interesting. Station still hasn't opened up yet. I think it's going to be a bar and grill. They've got a bunch of materials over there. I don't know what they've got. Looks like some kind of fencing. And we got a low amber on the main line there for southbound Wye. Something. Come on, camera. Well, this guy just brought the gates down again. Can't tell if he's coming this way or not. Looks like it. Ah, okay, the southbound's coming. We gotta meet. We gotta meet. That's just a locomotive. And maybe one car. I don't know. Nope. Running light. Train for Grand Rapids should be coming pretty soon. He's usually through here about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Now we got the other one coming, I think. He just turned his headlights up. Yep. Yep. We got this other one coming on the Northbound Wye now. Wish I'd have gotten my tripod out. I didn't have time to do it. He's actually pulling some freight. Cold out here. taking these cars around the Y to North Yard probably. Set them out there for another train to pick up going north or south. All for now, folks.